Good evening, I'm RV Weather Intern Meteorologist Dennis Krylov here with your extended outlook through Monday, May 6th. Starting off with today, not much is going on across the country, with a few rain showers are impacting the northern United States, but otherwise high pressure is under control for the rest of the U.S., although that will be changing over the next few days. Starting off with the west coast, tomorrow brings relatively dry and calm conditions. High pressure remains in control, allowing for great traveling conditions that will continue as we head into Wednesday and even into Thursday. Dry conditions, although a system could bring some rain showers to the Pacific Northwest on Friday, and that could also linger into Saturday, but not too much significance there. And then as we head into the latter half of the weekend and into early next week, conditions will remain relatively calm, although a few showers could be expected across the far northwest portions. To the mountain time zone, it's going to remain relatively calm on Tuesday with dry conditions, although that will begin to change as we head into Wednesday. We could see some higher winds into some portions of the region. By Thursday, we could have high winds across the southern regions with some severe weather across the far eastern portions, although as we head into Friday and even into portions of the weekend, portions of the higher elevations could see sporadic rain showers and maybe even a few snow showers. But otherwise, as we head to the latter half of the weekend into early next week, it looks to remain mostly calm. Now heading into the central United States, Tuesday will feature some gusty winds across the northern regions with a limited severe weather threat across the southern plains. However, as we head into Wednesday, the severe weather threat will significantly ramp up, and even into Thursday with widespread severe weather possible and then widespread rain showers as well. Heading into Friday, same story, severe weather is expected across much of this region and even into Saturday, so multiple days of severe weather is possible, and Sunday that will start to shift further east. And then as we head into early next week, we could see some severe weather hold with rain showers expected. And now across the East Coast, Tuesday will be relatively calm across much of this area, but as we head into Wednesday, we could see some snow showers and rain showers across much of the Northeast. Thursday will bring a return of calmer conditions, great for traveling, and that will also linger into Friday with that severe weather threat approaching from the west. Could clip portions of the western areas by Saturday with rain showers, gusty winds, and low-end severe weather threat. And then Sunday, some showers expected across the Ohio Valley and Northeast, but otherwise not too significant severe weather is expected. On Tuesday, April 23rd, will bring the threat for some severe weather in those marginal risk contours, with the first area in northern Texas and southwest Oklahoma, and the second area across northern Michigan. Both of these areas could see damaging wind gusts and potentially isolated larger hail. On Wednesday, April 24th, expect the same risk across portions of northern Texas and western Oklahoma. In that marginal risk, isolated severe thunderstorms are possible, capable of all weather hazards. On Thursday, April 25th, expect the threat for significant severe weather in the yellow shaded contour, which includes areas from Texas, western Oklahoma, central Kansas, and south central Nebraska. On Friday, April 26th, expect the threat for significant severe weather across much of the central U.S. in the yellow shaded contours. On Saturday, April 27th, expect a significant severe weather risk in the yellow shaded outlines. All severe weather hazards will be possible in all these 3 days. Now between the 25th of April to the 29th of April, we're going to see active weather across much of the central U.S. In those yellow outline areas, we're going to see the threat for severe weather, and in the green outline areas, we'll see the threat for flash flooding and heavy rains. As we close out April and go into early May, there will be the threat for heavy precipitation across much of the central United States, which includes the Mississippi River Valley. Be on the lookout for heavy rains throughout this period. There will also be the threat for high winds as we close out April and go into early May across portions of the southwest U.S., the southern plains, and even into portions of the central plains. Now onto the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook through May 6th. Much of the northern and central U.S. is expected to see above average precipitation, with near normal precipitation across the southwest U.S. and then across much of the east coast, with the only areas expected to see below average precipitation is Florida and then portions of the southeast Gulf Coast. In terms of temperatures, for the 8 to 14 day outlook, expect above average temperatures for much of the central and eastern United States, with below average to near normal temperatures across portions of the west coast. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below, and until then, safe travels.